Storm Team Weather Lab, KAMC meteorologist Jacob Riley.
Well, good Tuesday morning. If you're just now waking up and you haven't been outside yet, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, but it is downright cold across the South Plains this morning. Take a look at these temperatures we're waking up to. 39 in Lubbock, 35 in Anton. If that's not cold enough, up in Muleshoe, 34 right now. They were at 33 a few moments ago, 42 in Dimmitt, 40 in Plains. So this is the coldest morning that we have seen in our area since April the 18th. Which a few days before then, we actually had snow in the South Plains, but it's downright cold across the area as we start off your Tuesday, around 10 to 15 degrees colder this time today compared to this time yesterday. So definitely want the jacket this morning. Probably not a bad idea to start the car a little earlier before you have to leave so it can warm up. Winds this morning out of the west, relatively light, around 5 to 10 miles per hour across the area, but that is just enough to make it feel even colder across the South Plains this morning. Notice it feels like 34 in Lubbock, 31 in Anton, 28 degrees in Muleshoe. So bundle up this morning, but be sure it's a light jacket because later on today it will be much warmer across our area. An Overton East live sky view this morning showing Marshall Sharp Freeway traffic flowing smoothly there, and not too much in the way of any weather related impacts this morning other than the fact that it's just cold across the entire area. But as we go throughout the day today, it will warm up quite nicely. Notice into the upper 70s and lower 80s later on this afternoon into the evening hours. Yesterday we had a lot more cloud coverage across the area, but we will see more of that sunshine later on for your Tuesday afternoon. Notice 80 in Lubbock, 80 in Rawls, 83 though in Matador, down towards Spur and Jayton as well, 81 in Snyder, and then we'll stay in the upper 70s across western portions of the South Plains for today. Now it will be a little bit warmer as we go into tomorrow, and here's why. That colder air associated with the trough will continue to move on up towards the east, and as it does so, high pressure will start to build to our west. So that'll warm us up closer to 90 tomorrow, but notice Wednesday into Thursday, another trough digs a little closer to our area, bringing in a weak front as we go into Thursday, and then we'll see another weak front as we go in from Saturday into Sunday. So we'll be on either side of average this week. 80 degrees today puts us right at average, near 90 tomorrow. Back to some more seasonal temps Thursday and Friday before we warm back up for your Saturday. So a little bit of summer, a little bit of fall this week, but unfortunately no rain across the area anytime soon. These cold fronts that move through, notice no rainfall showing up with those in our area, maybe just a little bit more in the way of clouds, but unfortunately I do expect us to remain dry here in the South Plains even as we head into your work week next week. So that's not good news for our ongoing drought conditions, but at least if we can't get the rainfall, we're going to get the cooler temperatures. 80 today will stay on either side of average again as we go throughout our week this week, Kathleen. You know, but this morning with temperatures starting off in the 30s, we could have picked a better day for it to be National Coffee Day. So definitely want that warm or hot coffee this morning to kind of get you up, get you going this morning, get you energized, because it is definitely chilly across the entire area.
Yeah, absolutely. You know, we've been opting for iced coffee for far too long, so now is finally the day that you can get the coffee pot out and get that hot coffee going. Hopefully that'll wake you up a little bit this morning on this cold morning.
Or maybe even a pumpkin spice latte, you know,
there
get you in the season.
Hey, you know what? We're just going to change it up this morning.